How to make money with Facebook from home using free traffic. It's Malama here, guys. Welcome back to another video on this channel. In this video, I want to take you guys on exactly how you guys can go ahead and implement a strategy that I've been using to make money with Facebook. Now, with this Facebook traffic free method, you can make money from home even during this pandemic of the coronavirus, and you can make anywhere between $100 to $500 a day from the comfort of your home using free Facebook traffic and strategies. Now, my goal for this channel, if you are new to this channel, is to help you get started with growing, scaling your online business, even if you're a complete beginner, to help you create financial freedom through passive income, depending on your life goals, whether you want to quit your 9 to 5, you want to increase your revenue, you want to generate more revenue to invest in other assets such as real estate and all that other good stuff. So I'm here to document my journey as well as teach you guys along the way as I go with you on what's working and what's also can work for you. So I'll be uploading daily going forward on this channel on a regular basis to help create more momentum. So if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit that notification button to never miss a video from this channel. So I help you learn how to generate traffic, how to grow your online business, how to do affiliate marketing, how to get started even if you're a beginner, how to create your own digital assets online that make you consistent passive income monthly, and how to grow your email list. Eventually, how to do the whole affiliate marketing and digital marketing business in a whole. So let's get right into this video so that I do not ramble for long. So if you watch towards the end of this video, I'm going to give you some really cool bonuses that can help you speed up the process on how you implement this strategy so that you can start easily generating your next $500 to $1,000 in the next 30 days. So the very first step in doing an online business, whether it's affiliate marketing or in any other business, the basic of how you run this business is you need to pick an industry or a niche. Now, a niche is just a certain group of people that are interested in a certain hobby, in a certain subject, in a certain belief or stuff like that. Niches are things like making money online, affiliate marketing, health and wealth, relationships. All those are niches. So you select the niche that you want to go into. That would be the very first step. So if you're for example stuck on exactly what niche join in or what niche to jump in, well, it's a good idea to take a look at the hobbies, what are your interests, or what do you have more knowledge about. To give you a head start, it's always good to go to Google and search for stuff like highly profitable niche 20, because you want to get into a niche or into a certain industry that people are putting money. You don't want to be in an industry where people are not willing to spend money. So here's some of the 10 most profitable niches with low competition in 2020. So these are some of the niches that people are really not paying attention to, but they've got a high chance of helping make money. So you can come over to this blog and you can read it. I'll leave a link in the description of this video. We'll just take a look at some of them. Things like solar energy, trends, eco-friendly products, the baby clothes, really hot right now. Health and beauty is really hot right now. Weight loss, dieting, pet products, lots of things, sports equipment. They can go into sports. So as you can see here, some of my suggestions are things like health and fitness, cooking, sports, basketball. You can go for golf, you can go for video games, go for people that like tennis, that like hockey, or that other type of stuff. And you can go so into the wealth industry, which has to do with cryptocurrencies, day trading, forex, stocks. You can do investing, you can do real estate, you can do making money online, digital marketing, social media marketing. All those are under the wealth industry. So once you select your niche, you can go ahead and pick a product you have to sell in one of the industries. Now there's a couple of places where you can go ahead and get affiliate products. So there's two ways to earn money with this. You can either earn it with your own product that you're selling, service, or you can promote somebody else's product or service for a commission. So I'm going to take you to some of the sites that I normally use even personally. So these are sites like, one is clickbank.com. It's one of like a holy grail of affiliate marketing products. So as you can see, it doesn't matter what category or what industry, whether you're into computer and internet marketing, into e-business and e-marketing, education, employment and jobs, you're into fiction, you're into food, wine and cooking, you're into games, you're into green products, health and fitness, home and garden, relationships, spirituality, sports, travel, self-help, parenting, politics, into languages. So it's an unlimited place to get any product that you need. Now, the other place that we can find these amazing products to promote that other people have already created that we can make is Share a Sale. Share a Sale is also another place where you have things like fashion, automotive products, health products, make money online products, business, green merchants, fashion, and all that other good stuff. You can do print on demand here. You can sell t-shirts, you can sell bags, you can sell sporting equipment. So it's an unlimited traffic. So without spending much time there, we have to move on to the next step. So if you need more ideas, all you have to do is go into Google, type in your niche and put affiliate network. It's going to bring you a variety of affiliate networks and systems that you can earn from. So a simple example is we're going to go to ClickBank affiliate marketplace, because our target is between $100 to $500 online. So we're going to look for a product that's exactly in ranges. So right now I'm not going to pick a specific area. Okay, I'm going to go maybe I'm going to pick something to do with e-business and team. That's what I mean. Then all you have to do is come over here and change selection to sort by gravity, meaning the highest selling product. The highest selling product here is the 12-minute affiliate system offer, which is paying $73 per sale. All you have to do is just sell 2 of these dollars a day. But if you want to even take it up a little bit and earn an extra $500, all you have to do is come and look for something that is even higher, like Commission Hero right here is paying $338 sale that you're bringing. So when we head over to the affiliate page, we can get a little bit more product. So this is a video talk explaining it, and as you can see, this is all an analysis of how their stats are doing. Run rate is really low. These are products that you want to go and promote. So this is the affiliate page. This is where you can get all your resources as an affiliate. Another cool product that you can go ahead and search by price, dollar per sale. So you've got like the magic submitter. This is over $1,000, which is too high. Gravity is not that good. I'm gonna look for something a bit lower, like this one, the Super Affiliate System by John Crestani. So this pays you $500 for every sale that you bring in. It's got a recurring commission, as you can see. So you can gain a recurring commission every month. Go to the JV page. As you can see, pays you $997 for every sale that you bring in, and you can possibly earn $247 per month at 50% commission recurring. So if you sign somebody up for this program, you've got the possibility of earning $247 a month on recurring income. So you put that up and you put in other new incoming sales every month. Find that you be handsome online. So what's the next step? So once you pick a product, what you want to do is you want to get an affiliate link. So all you have to do is head over to this page. Let's see if we can get a better affiliate link. What you have to do is get an affiliate link. So when you come to this page, it gives you all the resources, the results, the testimonials from people promoting this product and how much they've earning and how good this product is. But I believe this is a really good product because it's been on ClickBank for a while. So right here, what we're gonna do is go ahead and get that. So here's our ClickBank ID. Here's our affiliate link. This is the affiliate link that I'm going to be using. Really good affiliate link. Once I get that link, it's what I'm going to be using to promote. Now the next thing that you want to do is use Facebook. So we're gonna go to Facebook, look for groups that we can put in. So the groups that we're gonna be targeting are groups like Make Money Online, affiliate marketing, entrepreneurship. So things like groups like Make Money from Home. So we're gonna go ahead and can follow some of these pages if they are really active, but our main focus will be groups. So when we go to some of these groups, as you can see, it's got 790 new posts today, 250 new posts today, online business opportunities. So you can join some of these groups, and what you want to do is just head over there and go into the comment section and see exactly some of the active members and how you can go to that opportunity. Another search that you can do is make home. So you can search groups like this. Even as you can see, there are some really cool suggestions like Make Money Online, Make Money from Home Group, Make Money from Home Trading, Lions Club, Make Money Home and Stay Health, Make Money from Home US. So all you have to do is just come over to some of these groups like Make Money from Home, Best Ways to Make Money Online. And what you want to do is join some of these. You can see it's got 3,000 members and 740 posts in the last 30 days. These are some of the groups that you want to join because at least they've got admins and some moderators. Groups like these, you want to come over here and you want to see what people are talking about. You want to find high quality groups. I know there are some spammy groups, but take your time to really analyze what you're going to be all about. The next thing that you want to do is you want to have a landing page. So you can easily get a landing page like Commission Gorilla, which I'm going to show you. It helps you build a landing page so that you can access and have your affiliate links in there. So this is Commission Gorilla. It helps you build landing pages and bridge pages where you can put your affiliate link buttons like your account, stuff like that. And all you have to do is just, I'll leave a link in the description of this video to where you can get this particular product. It costs about $44 per year. So all you have to do is just click the link that is in the description and you can come over to this page, and on this page it's going to lead you next step where you can sign up. I can sign up and this is about $50 to $9 for every year. So as you can see, this plan includes 12 months of service, future payments $49 every So some of the people that are using this product are people like John Armstrong. So I'll show you just one simple product that he's promoting. So he did a review. So this video that he's done right here is an affiliate review video. So he's promoting this product, and inside this product is affiliate link. So the way that this works is it's going to be able to help you build landing pages such as these, you can see. So it's going to help you build landing pages such as this, which are really easy to build, and you can, doesn't have to be this long, just has to include maybe an image of the product that you're promoting and a few simple words and a pattern such as this that you click, somebody clicks, and it will send them to the purchase page to where they can purchase the product, and therein get paid commission. And that it's as simple as that. Now, to even take this to the next level, guys, what you want to do is you want to create your own Facebook group. Because if you create your own Facebook group, you'll be in charge of that audience. You'll be able to monitor what's happening. You'll be able to fish out people that are just trying to bring your business down, that are just trying to spam links, and you'll be getting high quality leads into your group, because it's going to be something that's moderated, legit, and really what people can find value from. So if you are into certain industry, you've already got a portfolio, you have an interest in where you can build a niche around a certain particular niche. I've got a training course by one of my friends, Alex S. Elliott, that's called the One Group Away Challenge, that you can get. It's about $200 right now because of what's happening. So there's a huge discount going on where you can get 1,000 members in your group, and you'll be able to sell people from that group, because Facebook groups are really hot right now. That's where the money is. So you want to build up your own Facebook group, but you have to do it the right way to get your first 1,000 subscribers to where you can be earning substantial monthly income. So as you can see, this is a testimonial. You can come over here and get all the information, but she's doing over $7,000 every week and even in a day. So she explains to you why you need groups, and here are some of the testimonials from people that have taken her group challenge course, and the results that they've been getting, the money that they've been getting, the return on their investment. This is a really good way to start money online. So what is going to be is, I'm going to leave a link in the description of this video, and it's going to bring you over to this page. Once you get over this page, you can click on the link in this video, and you bring you to this page to where you can learn more about this strategy. And these are some of the bonuses that you're going to get if you sign up. Get peace of mind group launch checklist, 30 proven done for you group engagement posts to help you sell more, to help you selling without selling. So this is FB Live's monetization scripts that you can also use, free group convert license. You get a whole bunch of stuff. So I'm going to do a more detailed review about this product in the next coming days, but highly recommend you. If you're serious about making money online, if you're serious about taking your affiliate business or any other digital business to the next level with Facebook, I'd highly encourage you come over to this page. You can come over and check this video right here and learn more. And if it's something that you feel will help you increase your revenue and increase your income online, I highly encourage you guys to sign up for this challenge. It's a 30 days challenge, but you can take it at your own pace, and in the next 4 weeks you'll be able to bring in sales and really build a community of engaged people and people that want to listen to you, buy from. So I'm gonna be ending this video right here, guys. Any links that you need, any resources, I'll leave them right in the description of this video. Thanks very much, guys, for watching. It's Malama here, and I'll see you in the next video.